Here's a new 2019 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: manual transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, heated steering wheel, power heated mirrors, external memory control, hands-free liftgate, auto-dimming mirrors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmonds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. Smart capabilities, strong performance, GMC. Hurry in today for a test drive.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.